What's going on, guys? Welcome to Gizmodect. Today's video is about building a gaming PC for $400. This is an entry-level gaming build suitable for new gamers who don't want to spend a fortune. So without any further ado, let's get started with the build now. So for the processor, we are using an AMD A10 6800K APU. This is a beast of an APU from AMD which has HD 8670 graphics built in. APUs are actually a combination of CPU as well as a dedicated graphics memory. So this is a quad-core APU which runs at about 4.4 GHz out of the box and also supports overclocking. This will be suitable for gaming at 720p at around medium settings, but the good thing about this APU is that it supports external GPUs in Crossfire. So if you can extend your budget a bit more, you can buy a Radeon 7770 or a 7750 or even a higher GPU to get greater performance at 1080p, or you can add the GPU later in future if it's out of your budget now. So this APU comes at around $149. You can even opt for the last generation A10 5800K APU, which is around $20 less, and there is not much difference between the two. The motherboard which we are using inside the build is MSI FM2 A75 MAE35. For $56, this is a beast of a motherboard which has USB 3.0 ports as well as SATA 3.0 ports. So if you wish to add any kind of SSDs in future, you will have full support for it. This board also supports overclocking, so if you ever wish to push the performance of your APU further, you can do it by overclocking. For the memory, we are using Corsair Vengeance 4GB RAM coming in at about $42, and for the hard disk, we are using the 500GB Western Digital Caviar Blue priced at around $55. The power supply powering this whole build would be the Corsair CX430, which is a 430 watt CPU for about $46. And for the case, we are using an NZXT Tempest 210 mid-tower case, which is available for about $47. It has USB 3.0 front ports, but you are free to choose a cheaper case for yourself. So after summing everything up, this build is going to cost you around $370 to $400. The prices may vary accordingly. All the prices in this video were during the time of filming, and as I said before, you can buy an external GPU for this build for a good performance at 1080p if it's in your budget. So anyways guys, this was my video about building a gaming PC for $400. If you liked it, be sure to hit the like button below this video and also hit the subscribe button because more PC builds like a $1000 build and a $1500 build are coming soon. Do leave me with your requests and questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching guys, stay subscribed.